JJ.
Đến đây coi show.
Luca.
Pretty good? Well, Carowinds, are you coming? Hey! It's the magic carving on a rail, never takes a rest. Flying through the mountains and the snow. You can ride for free and join the fun if you just say yes. Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Ooh, whistle blows, that's the sound we're singing. Ding, ding, dong. Golly, look at her go! Wonder if I'll get pursued, anybody's guess. Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. When we get there, we'll scream, yes! We'll arrive with the bang, bang, bang. Laughing all the way. It's a choo-choo with a stunning view that rivals all the best. But you won't ever see it advertised. It's a simple fact, we stay on track, though sometimes we digress. But that can only happen on the Polar Express. That's the sound of her breathing. What a wonderful show! It's just the best. Wish it would never have to end. The little luck won't be on time. There's no need to stress. Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Lights are gleaming far across the snow. You're not dreaming. May I present the North Pole? If this pic what you expect of you, you surely haven't guessed. They all live down at the other end. The little luck will be on time. There's no need to stress. Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Ooh, whistle blows. That's the sound of her singing. Ding, ding, dong. Golly, look at her go. Wanna join us, come along. I'll check my manifest. Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Woo! Yeah! Round and round and round and round we go. Hey, 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 hey. When we get there, we'll scream, yes! We'll arrive with the bang, bang, bang. Laughing all the way. Wanna join us, come along. You can be our guest. Cause that's the way things happen on the roller coaster, Polar Express. What a magical evening. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10, listening once again. The candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.
There are a couple of books and a pistol that shoots into wish your body and bed. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope for Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel.
One in the park as well. The sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start. And the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents
breezy, sunny shore.
From Atlantic to Pacific,
Gee, the traffic is terrific. Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays. 'Cause no matter how far away you roam,
if you want to be happy in a million ways, for the holidays you can't beat home sweet home.
for the holidays, you can't beat home, sweet home. This one's for you. Happy holiday.
Happy holiday.
Happy holiday. May the merry bells keep ringing. Happy holiday to you.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ting-a-ting-a-ling, ting-a-ting. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show. We're riding in a wonderland of snow. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand. Just holding your hand. We're riding along with the song of a wintry fairyland.
Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy, cozy are we. Let's all get close together like the birds of a feather would be. Let's take the road before us and sing a chorus. Come on, it's lovely when we're sitting all together. There's a birthday party at the home of Farmer Gray. It'll be the perfect ending of a perfect day.
We'll be singing the songs we love to sing without a single stop. At the fireplace where we'll watch the chestnuts pop. Pop, pop, pop.
There's a happy feeling nothing in this world can buy. As we pass around the coffee and the pumpkin pie.
It'll really be like a picture baked by Courier and Knives.
Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
We're dashing through the snow in a one horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Hey, 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 bells ring, making spirits bright.
Oh, what fun it is to sing a sleigh song tonight.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
That was a close call, Mariah. All right.
Feel the white on this happy Christmas night. All we know,
The snow
bells are ringing, we'll be singing jingle bells.
jingle bells gonna jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is
To ride in a one horse open sleigh. I hear those jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells. Say, Lily, have you heard the forecast? It's supposed to be below freezing.
Oh, Marcus, I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
It's cold outside.
This evening has been
Over next year.
so very
I'll
nice.
hold your hands, they're just like ice.
Heart will start to
You head out there.
I wish I knew how to break the spell.
I'll hold your hat, your hair looks
I
well.
ought to say no. At least I'm gonna say that I
What's the
tried.
sense in hurting my
I
pride?
really can't stand.
No, baby, don't hold out. Oh, but it's cold outside. All right now.
The snow is snowing and the wind is blowing, but I can weather the storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm.
Cigarette bar. Gotta get home. Say, lend me your phone. It's really been bad. But don't you see?
How can you do this?
How we talk tomorrow. At least there will be plenty in mind. I really can't stay. All that is wrong. It is cold outside.
Hello?
Happy holidays, everybody. Okay. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear, oh my golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Holly jolly. Holly jolly. Hey! Holly jolly. Oh! All right! Hey! Hey! Come on! That's part of the cocoa. For me.